Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. This particular video is a part of a series, Ashtanga Rudaya Sutrasthan discussion, chapter 1 to chapter 30. Dr. Deshpande will discuss the shlokas with Sandhi Vigraha. This is the exclusive feature of all these videos. So please don't miss a single part of the video. Ashtanga Rudaya Sutrasthan, chapter 3, Rutucharya, seasonal regimen. I have cut it, that whole the chapter, in 5 different parts. So see each part. So this is the basic concept of Ayurveda for the prevention of any disease. Because Ayurveda says, Swasthasya Swastha Rakshanam Aturasya Vyadhi Parimoksha. Prevention and curative aspects are the Ayurvedic principles management. Okay. So presented by myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD post-graduation in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. Okay. So today we are going to discuss from shlok number second line of 26th shloka, Ashtanga Rudaya Sutrasthan, chapter 3, part 4, up to the shlok number 41. Important question regarding this video: describe Grishma Rutucharya. Summer season, very hot. Okay, Grishma Rutu. Can you see the people are protecting themselves from the sun by taking umbrella and applying the sun lotion? This is the picture of the Europe, of course, because these people are very crazy for the sun. They want the sun, but of course they cannot tolerate the sun too much. Okay, so this is the Grishma Rutu. Grishma Rutu, summer food and lifestyle. Tikshna, anshuhu, penetrating. Ati tikshna anshuhu, grishme sanshipati iva yat. Very hard and strong sun rays are there. Very hot sun. Very heat. Pitta prakopa. Remember, prati ahaha kshiyate shleshma. Kshiyate shleshma. Kapha is reducing. Tena Vayuhu vardhate. Vat and kapha are opposite in properties. You know that. So when the kapha is going down, vat is coming up. Balance, kapha vata. Ato asmin, patu, katu, amla, vyayama, arkakaran, tyajet. Contraindication. No spicy, no pungent, no sour, no exercises, no hot sun, protected cap, goggles. Okay, bhajet, madhuram, eva annam, lagu, snigdham, himam, dravam. These are the properties. These are the qualities of the food. It should be sweet. Kheer, porridges. Okay, anna, lagu, easy to digest. Snigdha, little bit unctuous, like milk and ghee. Hima, thanda, cool, and drava, lot of hydration. Water, drinking is must in Grishma Rutu. Dravam, Vagbhat is saying that. Grishma Rutu Lakshana and Charya, features and regimen during the summer. As sun is very hot and the rays are sharp, kapha decreases. My cursor, look at the cursor. Vata increases during summer season. Hence, one should not take the food having the taste lavana. Degenerating, lavana, excessive salt. No katu, no spicy, no pungent, and no amla, sour. Pickles, chutneys, no. Hot, tarri, misal, pav, no. Vada pav, no. Green chili, no. Beverages like alcohol, absolutely no. Avoid exercises in extreme and exposing to sun in this season. Foods, which food? Madhura rasa, laghu, easy to digest, snigdha, shita, and drava. Shita means cooling. Shita virya, cold potency, and drava, liquid in nature. Most beverages, buttermilk, best. Tender coconut water, best. Should be taken in summer. Can you see? This is hat, protection, sun safety. These are the goggles. Wear the protective clothing. Drink enough water. Avoid direct contact with the sun. Take the umbrella. Avoid sun between 11 to 3. Don't go into the sun. Use the sun lotion, sunscreen, protection, and wear a cap and goggle. Okay, next. We will go further about Grishma Ritucharya. We are discussing Grishma Ritucharya, Lakshan and Charya. After having the bath, just a moment. Okay, this I have missed. सुशीत तोय सिक्त अंगोलियात सक्तून स शर्करान शर्कर शुगर मध्यम न पेयम अल्कोहोल न मध्यम न पेयम वा स्वल्पम सुबहुवारी वा adding lot of water if you want to drink the alcohol अन्यथा what will happen shof cursor shof edema shaithilya laxity in the muscles dah burning of the eyes burning of the hands and feet, burning of the whole body, stomatitis, ulcer, lot of things. Okay, burning micturition, PR bleeding. Yes, it is common. Mohan, greediness, karotitat. Okay, after having the bath with cold water, don't do the bath with hot water. Take the gruel prepared from the corn flour and sugar. I will just, I'm sorry, I will go back. Okay, let us wait. Okay. Take these gruels prepared from the corn flour and sugar. During the summer, alcoholic drinks are generally not taken, prohibited. Those who are habituated, smaller quantity can be taken, but too diluted with plenty of water. Otherwise, complications like emaciation, weight loss, looseness of the joints, burning sensation, and delusion may be arising. How the food should be? Kunda, Indu, Dhavalam, Shali, rice, Shalim, Ashniyat, Jangalaihi, Palaihi. Sandhi Vigrah, Dr. Deshpande, Sandhi Vigrah, Pibet Rasam, Na Atighanam, Rasala, Srikhand, Rag Khandavo, Sali rice, Shashti, Shali Shashti, which is as white as the flower Kund, Jasmine multiforum, and Indu, that is moon, should be taken along with Jangala Mounserus during summer season. Vagbhati is saying that. Take only thin mutton soup. Drink rasala, srikhand, curds churned without any water and mixed with sugar, pepper, dry ginger, and cumin. Raga. What is raga? A decoction of grapes with shali, sattu, honey, sugar, powder of arrowroot, cardamom, cinnamon, and coriander. And khandav, prepared with sour and sweet fruits during the summer season. Srikhanda and porridges are very good in summer season. Yes, tender coconut water, watermelon. A lot of fruits are there, ice cream is there, and drinks. Lemon juice is there. Okay. Grishma beverages. Panakam panchasaram va namamrut bhajane stitam. Mocha chocha dalaihi yuktam sa amlam mrunmaya shaktibhihi. Patala vasitam cha ambaha sakarpuram sushitalam. Prepare the panchasara, a type of mantha prepared with draksha, madhuka, kharjura, kashmarya, and parushaka in fresh earthenware. It will get flavor of mocha, that is kadali, and coca, that is fanasa, due to the association of the above leaves while cooling the month. Afterwards, it should be mixed with some sour substances and served in a mud pot. This is said by the Vagbhat. Cooled water flavored with patala flower and mixed with karpura, that is camphor, is also good for drinking during the summer. But practically, what we can use, this is the description by Vagbhat. It is okay. They're very nice. In the exam, you have to write down all these panaka and mantha and etc. But in practice, we can ask the patient to consume sweet lassi, tender coconut water, lemon sharbat, simple cool water from earthen vessel, that is matka. Okay. Grishma drink and spending the time. Shashanka kiranan bhakshan rajanyam bhakshayet piban. Sasitam mahisha kshira milk. Chandra nakshatra sheetalam. Abhrakasha mahashala tal ruddha ushna rashmishu. Vaneshu. Gardens. Madhavi shrishta drakshaha tabakashalishu. सुगंधी हिमपानी सिच्चमान पटालिके कायमाने चिते चित प्रवाल प्रवाल कोरल फल लुंबिभिः कदलीदल कल्लाल मृणाल कमल लोटस उत्पलैः कोमलैः कल्पिते तल्पे हसत कुसुम पल्लवे. Take the food known as the, what is that? Shashanka Kirana, prepared with the flakes of talisa powder mixed with camphor and sugar at night. This is the recipe by Vagbhat Ashtangaruday. Then mix sugar in Mahisa Kshira, buffalo milk, and that is cooled by the rays of moon and starts is to be taken as a drink. This is the nice drink, buffalo milk. Ideal location to spend daytime in summer is in the park garden where the tall trees like pines, shal, and palms, tal, embrace the sky that will prevent the hot rays of the sun. That is very, very green and cool garden and forest. Spent in the houses around the bunches of flowers like jasmine and grapes are hanging from their creepers. Curtains made of clothes weighted by scented, cool water, mango trees bearing fruits, and tender leaves all around. Grishma Rutu regarding the sleep. This is the advocated by Vagbhata. Madhyadine, Madhyadine, Arkatapaha, Artaha, Swapyat Dharagruhe, Swapyat Dharagruhe Athava, Pust Stri Stanhast, Asya Pravutta, Ushiravarini, Vari, water, Ushiravarini, Nisha Karakar Arkirane, Saudha Prushte, Nisha Sucha. In such a place, set up a soft bed for sleeping in the noon hours. Diva swap is only allowed in Grishma Rutu in summer. Daytime sleeping, according to Ayurveda, is only allowed in Grishma Rutu and no other Rutus. Point should be noted. Okay, with the petals of flowers of Kadali, then Kalhar and Mrinal, etc. Sleep in a house cooled by water fountains where the statues, that fountain statues, are exhibited with water being scented with the ushir and springing from the breast, hands, and the mouth. It is suggested to spend nights on the terrace enjoying the cool rays of moon. Lifestyle. Asana swastachittasya, relax. Chandana, sandalwood, ardrasya malinaha, nivrutta kamatandrasya, susukshma tanu asasaha. Tanu, very, very light wear cloths. Okay. Jalardaha talvrantani vistrutaha padmini putaha. Utkshepaha chamrudu utkshepa jalavarshi hima anilaha. You can open your Ashtanga Hruday and see how the Sandhi Vigraha has been made. Karpura Ballika Mala Haraha Sahari Chandanaha Manohar Kal Alapaha Shishavaha Sarikaha Shukaha Mrunal Valayaha Kantaha Pruthul Kamal Ujvalaha Jagama Iva Padminyo Haranti Daitaha Klamam. It is not necessary to remember all these shlokas, not at all necessary. You can understand the meaning. You have to remember only the words that I have made bold. You must remember that bold words. You must try to remember. Okay. Next, fatigue due to the season will be relieved by the composure of the mind, besmearing the body with the sandalwood paste, wearing the garlands, avoiding sexual activities. Grishma Rutu, control your sexual energy. It will make your body hot, and that is not recommended in Grishma Rutu or summer season. Sex and exercise should not be done, or should be very, 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 very less in amount. Okay, wearing the light dresses, fanning with the fans made of leaves of tal and padmini, that is lotus, made weight, and also with the peacock feathers, wearing the garlands of karpur and mallika, and also the pearl chains dipped in harichandana, white paste of sandal. Okay, spending with the children, prating with the pretty, joyful accents, colorful and pretty birds like parrots, beautiful women wearing the lotus stalk, bangles, and moving lotus legs around will remove your fatigue and tiredness. So this is all about today's video. Ashtanga Hruday, Sutrasthan, chapter 3. And what was the part? part 4 that we have finished, and we will continue with the next part in the next video. I wish you all the best, but I request all of you, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. For paid online consultation, paid online teaching programs, you can WhatsApp me on 922-6810-630. I wish you all the best and take care. All the best.